Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This Vim video is going to show you a second way to run shell commands without exiting Vim. Unlike the previous method I showed, where it drops you into a shell, runs the command, and returns you back to Vim. The benefit with this method is you have a persistent interactive shell without having to leave Vim. And this is essentially another Vim window. So the workflow I'm about to show you will make you more efficient with Vim. Either method works, and I always like to preach, use whichever works best for your particular workflow. Let's jump right in. So we'll open the configuration file for our SSH daemon, and I'll turn off syntax highlighting so I can see better. And now we'll turn on debugging. Now we'll save our changes with the write command, or W for short. Now to open an interactive terminal within Vim, type the command terminal, or ter for short. So a few things happened. Vim did a horizontal split, added status bars for each window, put our new window on top, and moved our cursor up. The great thing is, we are still in Vim, but now we can restart our SSH daemon and make sure it's back up and ready to go. We can even tell the SSH journal log and whatever else we need to do while we are troubleshooting. And I'll generate some log entries off screen. I'll terminate this tailing. And when we're done with the troubleshooting, we can move Vim windows by typing Ctrl-W, then W by itself. We'll set this value back to the previous value by hitting undo a couple of times with the U key. Or you can edit the file. We'll save the changes again, go back to our terminal window, and repeat the first two commands again. Now to close this window, type exit, as you would in a normal bash shell. Now if you wanted to do a vertical split, you would append vertical to the ter command, or vert for short. And if you want to quit all Vim windows and discard all changes, move your cursor to a non-terminal window and run the command quit all bang, or QA bang for short. Thank you.